Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
We got a baby today, boys. Let's go. No, I'm just kidding. I got my wife right next to me. I guess the baby was being cranky. So we got the baby just for a few moments while giving her some relief. Steve, the Canadian, in the building. Red Sox in the building. Nice to see you, boys. Quite an interesting day in crypto. I'm actually happy. The reason I'm happy, Bitcoin doing fairly well. Ethereum over 2,000 today. Many of us are seeing this for the first time. So we haven't seen Ethereum over 2,000 in a long time. Also, I do want to talk about CoinDesk's article regarding Do Kwon. What is going on there? Oh, hey, Red Sox, let's go. Red Sox, Crow still not looking good, man. So I am completely not feeling Crow anymore. I'm just basically at my wit's end with Crow right now. I'm just not feeling it, buddy. I'm just not feeling it. So Terra is back in the news, and this is because he's been arrested, right? And in the gist of this article, they're basically saying even my grandpa knew about Luna, right? So they just really tear into. Wow, my baby is really going after this microphone. You're looking real good, isn't it, baby? I'm sorry. This never happened. So I'm trying to get back into the streaming. So you know how it is. Hi, Teddy. Hi, everyone. Crypto Pie William. Nice to see you, buddy. Welcome back to the Goons. We are still hanging out here. We got Steve the Canadian. We got Red Sox. We got the true OG Goons representing. We are going to learn today. Is it the right time to get into crypto? Is it not? And I really want to. The only reason. You want to take her away? She's being taken away. The baby's being taken away. And the only reason I do want to talk about this is because they even talk about it in the article, the going sideways, right? And this is something I've been hitting on for the last few streams. We are literally going sideways. What's happening right now is we're going sideways. Whether you want to believe me or not, we're gaining levels, we're gaining support, we go sideways, and we continue to see what happens to the chart. Regardless of whether we fluctuate up or down, most of these holders, especially the holders coming in now, are holding. There is no one selling off. There's no one doing anything crazy. Even in Do Kwon's article, we are going sideways. And that is the most important thing. Regardless of what chain you believe in, regardless of what cryptocurrency you think is the leader, right? We got the Ethereum maxis, we got the Bitcoin maxis. I don't care which maxi you are. We're going sideways, boys. We don't know how long we're going to go sideways. And if you're here for the long term, you're going to hold on to Bitcoin. You're going to hold on to Ethereum. If you're looking at altcoins right now in this period, I think that is foolish of you. I do not believe altcoin season is at the bull run right now. Many of the altcoins I was in the past, many of the altcoins coming up right now, I'm sorry, it's just not there. It's not altcoin season, in my opinion. What season is it? Blue chip, AVAX, Matic. We're talking XRP. Every single blue chip right now is doing fairly well. And when I say fairly well, I'm talking about the momentum of going sideways, regardless of whether you're holding, hey, Teddy, I got in 3 months ago. Hey, Teddy, I got in yesterday. Hey, Teddy, I got in a minute ago. We are going sideways. So I think even if it goes down, there is thousands and thousands of other holders in the blue chip holding with you. at some point, 2, 3, 4 years, it's got to come back. A lot of these guys, what happened to the Lamborghini? The Shibalingam didn't work. We got the Lambos right here. We got the pink Lambo. We got the teal Lambo. And we got the Hot Wheels Lambo. So the Shivalingam did work. We did get the Lamborghinis in the end. So quite happy with that. But really, what it comes down to is we read about FTX, coming into assets and how much money they've had, especially with the new CEO and what they can do to come back from such a tainted brand, right? So the new CEO, we looked into it, guys. Tylenol, Procter and Gamble. There were a few other companies that we looked that had their brands tarnished, and they still exist today. So can FTX come back? That is a whole different question, And from yesterday's discussion, we really feel if other brands have done it, why can't FTX? And why do I bring up FTX? Because there's so many, right? There's so many relationships with Do Kwon and FTX, and them being most of the primary holders of FTT token, right? And how much they had. So moving on, it's not uncommon for a country's crypto trajectory to be shaped, at least temporarily. And they literally cite Mt. Gox and they cite FTX. So it's 60,000 Bitcoin. Yeah. Whenever the next bull market comes, retail traders will be back. I had friends asking me at 60,000 Bitcoin if they should sell their house to buy Bitcoin. This is all or nothing mentality. It's not uncommon in Korea. Dude, this is crazy. There's no one selling their homes. There's no one selling their homes to go get Bitcoin right now. And if there are, they are crazy. I want to see the proof that these guys are really selling their homes to buy Bitcoin, even if it was back then, even if it is now. This is not the investment. Guys, if you're not willing to lose the amount that you invest in, it ain't worth it. Do not do it. This is not what it's about, right? And really what this is about is it the right time to get into crypto? And I keep coming back to this, and I will bring up TradingView here. Regardless of exchanges, regardless of whether you have your money in a centralized exchange, whether you have your money in a decentralized cold wallet, hot wallet, whatever it may be, a cold wallet most likely, you want to know, is your money safe? Is that investment worthwhile? In my personal opinion, and this is not financial advice, I think now is the best time to get in, even before, even, I think the days of BTC 15K is well over. We are now 2x. We're now 30K BTC, right? We're no longer we have to literally downtrend so hard that we're never going to see numbers like this ever again, and this is my favorite part. Yesterday we continued to be in this area and we continue to go sideways while we're making an upward trend to the next resistance. And I know people want me to move this up, but the problem is it didn't close at 3602. It actually closed at 3300, and we're pretty much at the same area it closed on yesterday's date. So I love this trading. Currently what's happening is I believe 33K could be achievable. There is literally nothing downtrending this news. Guys, there is speculation on the US recession. There is speculation on the US dollar being weakened. There is speculation on whether Biden or Trump, right? And a lot of people believe that Trump is going to bring in this, regardless of whether he's in jail, whatever things come his way. Whatever things come his way, they truly believe this is achievable. And if Trump wins, there's going to be a bull run. I am at the point, I don't care what the governments think. Bitcoin is its own entity. Bitcoin continues to run while others struggle. Bitcoin continues to be green waves going sideways, and we're not seeing. I know there was that day of reckoning where we thought, hey, it's going to downtrend, but after yesterday's, and I'm talking UTC dates, GMT, right, blockchain dates here, I love what's happening with this trajectory. It is just an upward trend, and it is literally going sideways as it continues to make higher lows and higher highs. And that's really what is the best thing to look out for. And I still have my next resistance at 35.50. So we're going to continue to monitor this. This is going to be the mentality where people are now trading on BTC at the 30K level. Mentally, you're at the 30K level. It doesn't matter what anything else is going for. So yeah, that's literally what's going on with BTC, Ethereum. Ethereum 2032. I understand it beat 2000, but unfortunately, in my eyes, it hasn't beaten my resistance level. I'm still happy being in the gray area with Ethereum. It's just not quite where I want it to be. I think there's still room for improvement. I continue to hold. I'm really hoping this just changes and the sentiment goes a little higher than where it's at. But I love it. The Shanghai update happened. People are able to unstake. They continue to hold, and it doesn't seem to be downtrending as much as BTC, right? So BTC has a few candles to the next support and resistance line. I can chart this a few more. I can add a few more levels, but it just feels inappropriate, especially when we're talking, $300 between Ethereum. I understand that's a lot of money for a lot of these guys, but it just lines up so nicely, even 2032, that being the mental resistance level. I love it. I love it. 2032 makes sense to me, in my opinion. It was the last achieved high when Ethereum ran. So I'm going to continue to monitor this. I wouldn't say Ethereum's on the bull run till it beats 2032 resistance in my eyes. And some of it comes from me being a Bitcoin maxi, right? I love Bitcoin. I believe in Bitcoin more than Ethereum. The profits are just there at Bitcoin more than Ethereum, in my opinion. But I could have blinders on, and you never know. So this is never financial advice. Sup, Teddy Coochie Boy in the building. What's going on, Coochie Boy? We're just checking out the market. I do want to talk about Bone. A lot of you guys after yesterday's stream, actually, what, one, two, maybe three was the third guy was talking about Bone, or was he talking about Shiba Inu? Regardless, I did get the messages on Bone, and I still stand true. I think $1 entry. If you believe Shibarium's coming out, you think Bone is gonna be the driver of Shibarium. This feels like a great entry point. RSI is literally flatlined around 40. I haven't seen it dip below 30 in a long time. We're talking about the last time being November 2022 when it barely touched 30, right? So I'm really feeling if you're going to get into Bone, now seems like an appropriate time. Yet again, not financial advice, but I did get those messages, and it's just my personal opinion. I'm not in it. I still don't see, when it's going to happen. The MA50 did cross over the 200, which is an interesting indicator there. I didn't think the bull run happened on Bone, but it's just what it is. And that's just met with false promises. A lot of people believed that Shiba verse was going to come out Valentine's Day, and unfortunately did not happen, and we're now into April, so we continue to wonder what's happening there. Other fun things: Crow, Red Sox. I'm sorry, I gotta demolish it just a little bit, but it's basically doing the same action as Bone. We are not getting RSI. It really hasn't dipped too hard. The last time we saw a dip, RSI was really on March, when it hit just around 6 cents. And guess what, guys? It's not that much higher than where it was. We're still around that 6-7 cents mark. So if you're going long term on Crow and you see the benefit, makes sense. In my eyes, I'm just not there. I have just bled out so much on Crow. Are you still in Luna One? I'm completely out of Luna One. Day one, I was out of Luna One. You guys know how I am with pre-sales. Luna One just was not something I was into and holding on from the pre-sale. So once I was out, I bought back in, and I continued to hold at the current margin that it's at. And it's sideways action right now. I know people are gonna FUD and say, "Hey, Teddy, it went down a lot." Guys, I'm just not quite there. I'm basically sideways right now on Luna One with where I'm at. But it's still unfortunate. I'm hoping that once the utilities come out, once that news comes in, it'll go up. But I'm still happy with what's transpired, and I've got my initials out, and what I'm gambling on is profits. So not too worried about it. But yeah, Crow, good luck. Good luck to everybody. And I did talk about BNB yesterday, and a few of you guys said I'm not giving BNB the limelight that it deserves. I do want to talk about that because this is literally a couple of times that BNB has been in this range, and the range I'm talking about is between 300 to 99.2 and 340. Right, this is the support and resistance that I believe it's been trading on, and really the mean average between sometime around this time last year and where we are at now. So this seems fairly okay. I like the trend it's doing. I know a lot of you are upset that I'm not giving CZ the benefit that he should be receiving, but I'm just not. I'm just not a CZ maxi. I just not. It's still not even in CMC, dude. They need to pay to list on CMC, and for some reason, I feel like Luna One is just not paying to do it, and really they know I'm available. So if you're in that community and be like, hey, Teddy knows how to get you guys on CMC, you tell them you gotta pay to list on CMC. I'm it's unfortunate, but that's just how this crypto community is. If you're not willing to spend the bucks, you're not going to get listed, and we're talking about a token like Foundation. They got listed on CMC and CoinGecko while we're still waiting for Luna One. So I completely understand about that. Thoughts on ARB, guys? ARB had its hype. It continues to have a hype, but I just don't know. I feel like there's so many blockchains coming out recently with the same similarities, if not functionality. And what it really comes down to is liquidity pools, right? What people look for in tokens is how much money are people putting in, and I'm just not seeing that money come into ARB like it used to. And I know a lot of people are gonna disagree with my let me see, KuCoin, same thing, $1.42. Yeah. Are gonna disagree, but it's just going sideways. Nothing is really happening. And that's why I highlighted, even in the CoinDesk article, is everything is going sideways. So CoinDesk, fairly good job. Love it. Love what I've seen so far. And I'm the main thing being, even after Ethereum Shanghai update, we're not seeing people sell off, and that price continues to go up. So a lot of these Ethereum maxis are very positive right now, and I love it. I love to see that. Rook investors begin swapping tokens for 25 million crypto treasury. What? I didn't even read this. What is that? Rook? I didn't even know about any token called Rook or anything. Rook Labs activists reached the deal to return millions of dollars to the former DAO. Rook DAO is dead. The first freaking sentence is Rook DAO is dead, but its riches are alive and available to be claimed. Sounds like FTX. Hey guys, we're bankrupt, but we just found $7.3 billion. The former governance token has become the ticket to redeem around 25 million of the treasury. Dude, they have 25 million. Oh yeah, we're dead, but we got 25 million. Okay, so that's good. Incubator DAO. The new entity is being run by activist investors who wants Bristol Rook Labs. Okay. Is this just a paid article? This just feels so silly. I don't know. That's fine. Ether's post Shanghai rally knocks Bitcoin dominance from 21-month high. Get the hell out of here, bro. You know what I did when freaking Ethereum's dominance went high? I went and I bought more BTC. GTFO, Bitcoin maxis all the way. Oh my god, I hate art. Oh, I got blinders on, Teddy. Teddy, you got blinders on, Teddy. You got to be realistic. Ethereum's coming, Teddy. Ethereum's coming. Oh wait, did I just X out of that article? Oh my god, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. All right, let's see. Ethers, yeah, 2000 Shanghai upgrade, blah blah blah. 50% since Wednesday, 50% July 20th. So the last time there was such okay, yeah, July 2021. Ether's improved performance has reduced Bitcoin share on the crypto market. Shapella, get that. I'm just upset. I'm just upset because this is so fake. Because I can just go to CoinMarketCap. Oh, I'm sorry. CoinMarketCap. And literally look at the market cap. Guess what? Guess what? 244, 588. It's literally 2x. This is 2x. Look at this chart. Look at this chart. You know, and I'm just like, what are these guys thinking? There's no dominance that Ethereum has right now. But I do have my blinders on, guys, so I could be totally wrong. I went back into BTC. I completely transferred back. I trust BTC more than Ethereum currently, but we'll continue to see where where Ethereum goes. A lot of you guys keep hitting back. Oh, Teddy, after all these upgrades, the gas fees are going to go down. The gas fees are going to go down, but I'm sorry, I'm just not seeing it. What are your thoughts on Elon's X eToro? I love eToro. eToro makes sense. eToro with Twitter. Why would you not? It makes 100% sense in my eyes. I think it is a great thing for Twitter. I even applied for or Twitter's monetization. So they asked me for subscriptions. So I was eligible this time. I applied for it. Let's see if I get it. And they even got the Twitter creator studio or something. And it sounds like they got better monetization than even YouTube right now. And I'm streaming even on Rumble. All right, good boys. So we're literally all over the place. By the way, thanks for hanging out with us. Smoke that like button. Come hang out with the goons. We hang out every day, Monday through Friday, 8:15 p.m. Eastern. If you haven't caught on, you're not having fun, just throw out in the chat, what do you want to look at? What do you want me to see? And we'll take a look. You know, it's not an issue. We love gooning out where no one's right, no one's wrong. We're literally at the point of seeing what's going on in crypto right now. And I love it. You know, I really do. I will show. So yeah, Rumble. We got one guy watching, so I feel like that's me. I don't know. I didn't. But yeah, I am streaming on Rumble. No one really does anything there, but we'll see. Oh, sorry. Oh, well, I think I showed keys I wasn't supposed to. Don't come after me. All right, so ETH rose as high as 2023. Thursday getting 5%. BTC upgrade is only 1.5% through the day, lagging behind altcoins. GTFO, dude. BTC is the reason ETH is at 2,000 right now. Collab with eToro. I think the government won't allow Bitcoin to go too far, like 100. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter what the government says, because Saudi Arabia, we got Dubai, we got other countries apart from the United States. This is what happens. The Americans, the guys that live in America, including myself, we get into this mode of I'm in cryptocurrency. I just got into it. I'm making so much money off of it. And the only government that regulates cryptocurrency is America. But unfortunately, it's not true, right? We're seeing this time and time again. We've seen this with Saitama. We're seeing this with Terrarium, right? Terrarium's disbanding from the United States. This is things that these companies are doing. They're not trying to be governed by the United States government, you know? And that's the positivity that I see. I feel like that's where we're gonna see the advantage from now on. Wherever we go, BTC, Ethereum is going to continue to improve, continue to upgrade, continue to keep going. Wales Candy is a printer. AFY flying today. Too glad I held that. Dude, that's good. I love to hear that. I love to hear that all the way, Inu. How you doing, buddy? So yeah, I think the governments won't allow Bitcoin. Unfortunately, I'm just not there. I believe BTC is going to have the ability to run regardless of which government is trying to regulate it. So I love BTC. I'm a BTC maxi. I got the BTC ring. You guys know what it is. Is it time to break out on Baby Doge? Baby Doge. Baby Doge. Dude, is Baby Doge on CMC now? Baby Doge. Oh, Baby Doge. Dude, maybe. Maybe Dogecoin doing real good, dude. You know? And we got Elon chilling us, so you never know. I love it. I love what I see with Baby Doge. Always been a fan of reward tokens like that burn. Um and and that's what I like to see. Auto reflections. Auto reflections, I don't know, but yeah, Baby Doge doing fairly okay. Continuing to give us updates and stuff. Still and that's good to see. That really is. Launch app. What was their app? Oh, the swap. Oh, that's right. Baby Doge. Baby Doge. So what's gonna happen? Everyone can't move to Dubai. No, no, but this is the thing. Everyone can't move to Dubai, but everyone is moving to Dubai. Dubai is literally giving you a crypto positive government, right? There is nothing that is stopping these companies from starting another factor, another fraction, another department in their company in Dubai and running certain funds through Dubai. There's no tax there. The tax is very minimal. These crypto companies, there's a reason they're targeting Dubai. Dubai seems like a great area because of the tax, and it just makes sense. It really does. If you're um, in a state where you're making a lot of money, um, and the United States government is taxing you 40% on whatever funds that you're making, and Dubai is only taxing you 1%, a lot of these guys where Dubai already has money are going to go to Dubai. So that's just how I feel. Um, these companies are going to move to eventually if the government continues. Oh, wow. BTC is running. BTC is running. It's literally happening. It's literally had a breakout while I was streaming, but I was too naive to look at it. 30,750. Dude, this is crazy right now. This hasn't happened in a long time. I'm gonna hold that 30,800. So that's $300 that it moved. Wow, that is crazy. Why didn't anybody tell me about BTC running, boys? Or BTC Max? We didn't even see it. I literally caught that. Wow, that is wild. So we're literally, dude. I'm about to chart this. I'm about to chart this before anything happens. So I'm gonna definitely put one right at 32. 32 being the last high before. I know people want me to put it at the 32,669. I'm just not there. I'm gonna go for the last like high before it did. And the next one, obviously, the last support before it truly downtrended. So we'll hit it at 32.9. So we got 32.4, 32.9. And that's really where I'm at. 31.47, maybe. I'm not feeling that. Let me see. I gotta really look at this. All right, so let's see. I see a line here, 31.252. I like 31.252. That seems pretty good. 273. Can I get 252 again? Let me see. 37. Actually, we could go even lower. What is this one? This one's 39.96. I like 39.96. Right before 31,000. So let's look at this. So yeah, I have this charted just a little bit more. And guys, keep in mind, this is ongoing. I don't modify these daily. I don't come on the stream and change it up. You're literally watching this real time with everyone else. It's just how we are. Selmo Fudd. Selmo Fudd. Why is it every time right when I'm about to wrap up is the time you come in, bro? Why can't you just come in like 30 minutes before every single time? XRP to the moon, dude. XRP all the way. 10K XRP ticket to the ship. Dude, what are you smoking, bro? Please smoke that like button, because whatever you're smoking, I want to know, because I'm just not there, unfortunately. But 51 cents. Oh, snap, 51 cents. Oh, we're back at 51 cents. When did this happen? I was at 40 something for quite some time. So I blinked and we're back at 51 cents. I love it. I love it. And we're talking and we got the case ongoing. We have the maxis that still want to see the $2. Guys, XRP has everything it needs to get there. It's got the speed, it's got the transaction count. It continues to make traction in CBDCs, and why? Yeah, it really has. So I'm gonna chart this one more time. We're gonna put one at the 58 because I'm just feeling the 58 barrier. It's that mental barrier across the board that we've seen before. BTC could be 100K real quick. It really could. At this point, that's completely out of Ethereum. BTC all the way. Selma Bud. I think XRP will lead this bull run, dude. I really hope so, because even at 50 cents to $2, that is a 2x, and people will be very happy. At BTC, it will dip, Teddy, and soon Coochie Boy. Dude, I don't see it. I just don't see why BTC will dip. I love I'm a big BTC maxi. I'm just not seeing the same thing, I guess. But at the same time, I do need it to consolidate. Oh snap! Oh snap! It just broke my other resistance. Oh, we're continuing to make trends. 37,770. 37,770. Oh my god, boys. This is literally happening again. This is like history repeating itself. Dose. This is wild. This is literally wild. Dude, we're literally about to hit 31,000 BTC potentially today. Like you guys don't even understand. Like, this is unfathomable. This is literally, this is wild. This is literally wild. 37.90. This is a new high. This is a new high right now. Here we go. I need to run up. Come on. Buy it. 793. Let's go. New high. 797. 797. I seen it. Come on. Dude, this is wild. Oh my god. I feel like the money is there. People are literally have you been buying precious BTC? Of course, buddy. BTC all the way. I think once the mutual funds get the okay, BTC is going to be insane. It already is going insane. These levels, there is no one selling. If you look at the amount of people accumulating BTC and the amount of people selling BTC, it is more buying pressure than selling pressure. And the guys that are buying, guys, we're talking about year holds. They've been holding since freaking 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. They continue to hold because they know what BTC is going to do. We just dipped below support, but we did break resistance on stream. I'd love to see this because I just know the more we dip, the more we're going to break this resistance. And if we hold this level, especially tomorrow, we're above 39.96, 31K, it's freaking over. Like, guys, this is now one. Like, look at how many days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. This is an entire month of support that BTC has now established itself. You think a month's worth of work is going to derail all the way back to 15K at 2x? The last time that happened across the board, even at 40K all the way to 30K, we've not seen a 2x loss. So I'm now at the point that we're not going to see this dip down for a little bit. I'm happy where it's at. Like, this is the best. Every Bitcoin maxi right now is having the time of his life. This is every Bitcoin maxi's dream. This is what we want to see. But guys, I need to leave you with this. I have to talk about tomorrow. I'm really not sure. I'm going to try and stream, but unfortunately, I need to pack for Belgium. I'm going to be in Belgium next week for the Porsche experience. I won their freaking NFT experience. You guys know I bought that NFT for 2 ETH. It's now worth 1 ETH. Many of you guys keep scolding me. Oh, Teddy, I told you not to buy the Porsche NFT. I'm still going there. I'm getting the Belgium experience. Hopefully, I get the Germany experience. I haven't received anything yet. I'm going to document what I can next week. If I don't stream tomorrow, I will. I will upload what I can when I'm in Belgium. BTC 3749. Oh my god. Just do it. Regardless, I am going to upload. The goal is to keep you guys updated, especially with what I do, what's going on with me and my Web3 voyage. So if you're into that, you want to see what's going on with me, please smash that like, hit that subscribe. It helps the channel, it helps the goons grow, and I love to keep you guys updated. So I leave you be. Goodbye. If I don't see you tomorrow, I'll see you sometime next week. I'll upload what's going on with me in Belgium. So have fun, guys. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you sometime soon.